Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to host you. I hope that you are well and taking great care of yourself wherever you might find yourself in the world today. So, guys, if you don't know, the 4th of July was my birthday. I'm saying was because today's the 5th of July. But I had an amazing day. Birthdays are a huge thing in my life. They've always been a huge part of, can I say, my family culture, and that's a culture and a tradition that I look forward to sharing with my children as well. Nevertheless, I have some of my praises over here, and I thought, hey, why not do a, what do they call it? A gift unboxing, something like that. Yeah, and share some of the love that I received in the form of gifts with the Gracefully Tori family. I really hope that you guys enjoy. I got this beautiful bouquet of roses. You guys see? Anyway, these were from my baby girl, my nono, Lala. They make me so happy. They make me so happy. And the fact that I honestly feel like you don't buy just anyone flowers, you don't buy just anyone roses. So yeah, I really appreciate these. But together with the roses, I got this beautiful package from my baby girl, and there's a card inside. Card. Here we go. It says, a fabulous sister. Fabulous darling. Guys, I haven't even gone through that, but I love I love things that are personalized. I love things that come from people's hearts. I'm actually gonna cry. I don't know if I'm gonna share this with you guys because it's my name. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for being a true friend from my best sister and being blessed. That's all you have always been. Just so many times for always being there. We have loved fighting and we have prayed together. You are a selfless, strong, beautiful boy. God has been healthy and pray for happiness and sunshine in your life. God grant you everlasting peace of mind. May the rest of your life be the best of age. God bless you in your age. See, I love you from your child. La la. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. This is perfect. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is perfect. I don't think that I don't think that doing this unboxing on camera is a great thing because thank you, my baby girl. Lala and I spend a lot of time together, so she knows me, she knows what I like, and it's like I've seen a couple of things because they weren't wrapped, but I have a personal and intimate relationship with scented candles, and especially these two. I don't think there's ever been a time I don't have scented candles around in my house for the past 4 years. Oh, guys, Zini. Did I not say this child knows me? Guys, sorry about this lighting problem. Yes. I'm actually gonna minister to these. Let's see if I can open them with these nails. So I can show you guys what it looks like inside. I see ya. Oh. I don't have anything to open this with. Jehovah, my Lord. Oh my Lord. I can need some time to open these. Responsibly sourced. This is how they look like inside. I haven't actually gotten these before, so they so cute. I'm gonna open this and see how they look like inside. Jehovah. And they smell absolutely divine. Absolutely divine. Thank you, baby girl. And as if that's not all, she always gets me the best photo frames. Always gets me the best photo frames. She actually just literally went out to get me balloons with helium inside. Ah! This I got from my mother's child. I don't know what's inside. Super excited. Um, let's see if I can open this. Jehovah Wamalo. Jehovah Wamalo. Jehovah Wamalo. Oh my goodness, my no party. I absolutely love keychains. It's so beautiful. I actually have, I think, I don't know if I'll show you guys. I have like a collection of keychains. Guys, can you guys see that? It's beautiful. It's perfect. And then there is Blobo. Okay, I just want to tear this up because I can't make.
A little while later.
This gift was not expected at all. But I'm so grateful. I know there was a note as well. I don't know. I don't know if the note is still here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is everything. My gift. Oh. Look at it. Oh. Can you guys see? Let me see if I do the YouTube thing. Mrs. D. Thank you so much. If this was at like a to get like a bridal shower or something, then what it's on it. And I mean, look, these are stunning. I absolutely love these. I mean, you can already tell I love like glasses. Guys, and just like that, this video comes to an end. Wow, I'm 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 grateful. I feel really appreciated. I feel the love. You know, I got so many well wishes on social as well. I think I have responded to all of them, or I will. Yeah, I think I'm 95.9, actually 97% done responding to all of the birthday messages. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and that it put a smile on your face. Yeah, this was very unplanned, very laid back. As you can see how I'm dressed, it's like a chill Sunday afternoon. Um, and yeah, till we meet again next time, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.